Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. Today's video will explore the best 3D printers for car parts. This 3D printer is used in any condition and has the power to create high-quality car parts in no time. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you out, we've gathered the best 3D printers for car parts. The nozzle size, layer resolution, and print speed determine the output of a 3D printer. Choose a 3D printer with a suitable nozzle size and layer resolution to ensure an accurate result. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Snapmaker Modular 3-in-1 3D printer. Revise your creativity and buckle in for an extraordinary journey into car part manufacturing with the unbeatable Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D printer. Strap tight because we'll take this review to the next level. When crafting top-notch car parts, the Snapmaker A350T/A250T leaves the competition in the dust. Its colossal work area is a playground for your engineering genius, allowing you to tackle ambitious projects like never before. This printer handles everything with finesse and precision, from intricate gears to customized dashboards. But wait, there's more! The modular design of the Snapmaker 2.0 is like having a toolbox full of wonders. Need an enclosure to maintain the perfect temperature? How about a rotary module for those eye-catching curved designs? With vast add-ons available, you can supercharge your 3D printing experience and transform your workshop into a high-performance factory. But here's the real game-changer: silence meets speed. Say farewell to annoying machine noises thanks to the innovative noise reduction chip and the whisper-quiet linear modules of the A350T/A250T. And don't worry! Quieter printing doesn't mean slower results. So if you want the Pro 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is AnkerMake M5 3D printer. Rev up your car projects with the mighty AnkerMake M5 3D printer, the ultimate speed demon in 3D printing. With the upgraded Power Boost 2.0, this beast achieves mind-boggling speeds while maintaining impeccable print quality. Say goodbye to endless waiting and hello to double the printing speed and acceleration. But speed isn't the only ace up its sleeve. The M5 delivers precision thanks to its cutting-edge ultra-direct extruder and integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure. Whether crafting intricate car parts or blazing through large-scale prototypes, the M5 ensures every detail is flawlessly captured with a razor-sharp 0.1 mm accuracy. Not only is it fast and precise, but the M5 also boasts an intelligent error detection system. Equipped with extra processing power and a smart integrated camera, it ensures your prints stick to the plan. Real-time notifications save you time and filament by pausing prints when errors occur. No more messy spaghetti messes or frustrating extruder jams. Plus, the M5 keeps you connected no matter where you roam. Seamlessly control your prints from multiple devices with the AnkerMake app, AnkerMake Slicer, or even through the power of your voice with Alexa integration. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 3 is Anycubic Cobra Max 3D printer. Are you tired of searching for the perfect 3D printer to create excellent car parts? The Anycubic Cobra Max 3D printer is here to rev up your printing game. With its impressive build volume of 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches, 45 by 40 by 40 centimeters, you'll have plenty of space to bring your automotive dreams to life. But what sets the Cobra Max apart from the competition? It's got a self-developed Anycubic Levi Q leveling function that makes leveling and printing a breeze. With just one button, this intelligent and precise calibration system compensates for any unevenness in the heated bed, giving you a smooth and hassle-free experience. And let's remember the construction and precision. The Cobra Max boasts a double-thread Z-axis moving structure, which means minimal shaking and no lost steps. You'll be amazed at the detail this printer can achieve, allowing you to create car parts with stunning accuracy. Safety is also a top priority with the Cobra Max. Thanks to its filament runout detection feature, the printer intelligently monitors the filament supply. If it runs out mid-print, don't worry. The printer will automatically pause without losing any progress. If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the official Creality 3D printer. Are you tired of waiting forever for your 3D car parts to print? Buckle up because the official Creality 3D printer is here to rev up your printing game. Thanks to its high-speed capabilities, this lousy boy cuts your printing time by 75%. With a standalone motor at each axis and lightning-fast acceleration, it zooms through your designs at a mind-boggling 250 millimeters per second. Vroom, vroom! But speed isn't its only trick. The Sprite dual-gear direct extruder ensures clog-free printing at temperatures as high as 300 degrees Celsius. No more frustrating jams or ruined prints. This printer handles a variety of materials like PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS, and more, so you can unleash your creativity without any worries. Stability is critical when it comes to quality, and this printer delivers. Its all-metal cube frame, reinforced with linear shafts and extra gussets, guarantees rock-solid stability for precise prints. Oh, and did we mention the sticky and bendable PC build surface? This genius invention ensures your models stick securely during printing but can be easily removed with a gentle bend once they're done. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is Fullsun 3D printer. Are you looking to print some excellent car parts? Buckle up because the Fullsun Super Racer 3D printer is here to take your 3D printing game to the fast lane. With its high-speed printing capability of up to 200 millimeters per second, this printer will quickly let your car parts zoom off the build plate. And don't worry about sacrificing precision and stability for speed because this beast can handle everything. With its large printing volume of 10.2 inches by 10.2 inches by 13 inches, you'll have plenty of room to print those more significant car components. The secret to its incredible accuracy and stability lies in the high-precision linear rail guide and 3-axis linkage technology, ensuring your prints come out flawlessly every time. Plus, it's as quiet as a whisper so that you can focus on the hum of excitement rather than the machine's noise. Not only does the Fullsun Super Racer come equipped with an auto-leveling system for easy setup, but it also has a handy resume printing function. No need to worry about power outages or unexpected interruptions ruining your masterpiece. This printer will pick up right where it left off. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer car parts. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.